kajo misalat guasame bana linkel akum SPLIO ka very important message michagor kataya dana shi SSPDF chikalado nene SSPDF evacuation order follow call to target civilian medical adno weekend civilian call Nuer became a target kan kono niam ka jan report me gore jan ojin der channel der just subscribe ku channel ku just support ku subscribe ku bitin kono to be chwaling nyin ko kon lat ko dien kaden kono diala to and message me very important message me kon dial link ata dana chatwa ka ja kuma sa Sudan la SPLIO sikan kuma kirmiyadi chikana gwan eno kan gor kano biken civilian biken kanak jo machalat pok but balwang Ramadan la SPLIO director K information and public relation kajan acting press secretary no sikala dano ne jon jegan salat kuma kirmiyadi ano biken ke bane de kontin la Nuer ka kobo ke kalon lan ke lu ba ke ba kwet kamu kan sa ke ba kwet bikan kanak ke bikan kabok chika Jordan and Shelling shikume marai ke Dr. Machar che Ramadan and la SPLIO director K information and public relation pok bos balwang che condemn and Jordan kalat ke jagwasame Jalad no neme kukan gore jano bikan 18 kontila civilian bikan kanakare which ka South Sudan. South Sudan main army opposition group has accused government force of ordering civilian and humanitarian agencies to evacuate part of Jonglei state after senior military commander issue what it described as a call to target civilian, raising fear of mass human rights abuse. Si pok bus balwang cila don warga dan syagor ki mencala da commander nyeng SPLA pinkir meyadit anu kenegor kanu dene de kontra civiliane de ka watch ka dene kontra humanitarian de ko ke jongle ko te ka mijang bukan kaneten kontra SPLA ayo kana civiliane janna me dara ko be kaneten kontra civiliane bukan kana kray ko si ko bukan mal bukan no Kongo kon kawanyam gorno jen mi jirami jidit ke paiban gorno be subscribe guasama ko bi repon and kon lat ko ren bi ka chwaling ka kor jogo me pai we kon me shalat General Johnson ren chana jaling ajaram dan la assistantship ke Ramadan la kwerode me cha ka mobilization be jala da ka be me baga kep kana Johnson lun kut sholo ka jan akwara gwelek force agwelek militia kan dial ka tat Kishalo community kan ite mo tishung karodian jan order te to bano spared no life ki chwar te karama biapel ramadi man pala kok kan duora wen katin kontin la Bill enemy shajak tere Nuer biya gorno yen biya kanaki biya ka wang kan dia se jom te jitup ka Tyrant Johnson ulun charai keja last week General Johnson loin the assistant chief of defense force for mobilization and disarmament and commander of the Agwelek militia while relying his troop in Jonglei State, Duke County ordered them not to spare any life, including those of the elderly and chicken and raise all hours. On Sunday, SSPDF spokesman Major General Lure Kong retreated that the army ordered civilians in the Nuer counties of Mirol, Uror, and Akobo to evacuate for safety to government-controlled area within 48 hours. Joedani Shalat Guasame, Urichal General Lure Kong, a spokesperson for SSPDF, Jaladone, Jinene, Tinkonla Nuer, Tintakanirol, Kuror, Kakobo, Chinega Kam, Tani Jan wanted Badak and Vicarian watch, Guadadan and Tikatin, Kumu, Kan Charan watch, Beneka Bukamek, Benekenek. Then a Kwalat Guasman Woken, a direct target Canadian contin la Nuerico, a duomo Bicana, Bicanega Jacana, me, Michiro, Lut Kimija. Lo Shera me, Michigan, la secretary, Canadian Contla Jukume, Alanitan Contact Kirmiyadi. The Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition SPLIO say the directive to vacate by South Sudan People Defense Forces follow inflammatory remark by senior army commander urging troops to spare no one during military operation in the region. Yo chalat guasame akuma SPLIO akane yo daro de chalat commander Johnson lo nyanu chwara terama paliene dit managad naga ke cha order den cha nyomu to guasame ni ke tukde wori chal ke lure eno lara jano chine kam tan jan ngane badda ko biane kon la civilian biya ko ka biane kon la humanitarian biya wo akan me misha well coordinated akan tin kon tin lane kirmiyadi ke de SSPDF Pogbos Balwang SPLMIO Director of Information and Public Relations and Acting Press Secretary accused government aligned force of pursuing what he described as an ethnically driven campaign, saying public order to attack civilians amounted to a serious violation of international humanitarian law. George Gorguasame, Pogbos Balwang, Ramdan SPLMIO Director, Information and Public Relations, and George Alata Canadian Cornel Jukume Kirmiyadit, and terama bapal ke jana mu katan jen mana badda kano jo kan sebilan no wajarodun ke yene kontra jimen tarian wajarodun kana namani ado ko bikana bikan kana ka jana name yarengot kaman jaguar pin ji international humanitarian law name misalat and ramadan and lakuer ka spok man melarwain la kalat ka kwitin kon lat karodian. The call made by the SSPDF for civilian and NGO to leave represent a desperate attempt to salvage the image of regime after blatant incitement to violence against civilians. Stated this order revealed a coordinated strategy that is targeting civilians based on ethnic identity. Suppose balwang chala do nene dua badanan chal civilian chao jono wajarodun kan NGOs ni kani agor kano bakol gujano sikana ten kon chala civilian cing gadena ke mi cikan la dore nawun ano bikan kana ko jan lat kana ba away mo bikan wal bikan target kaja ke bikan kana kaja kata dana cikana coordinate kaja ko do kolar no me well coordinated strategy ko banel ko la civilian chala nuere bakadil nak based on kan nuere kari podan inshallah kwasme and Pogbos Balwang Ajane, we have a moral duty to protect civilians in the greater Jonglei area and across South Sudan, both at it. And Bos Balwang Jalado la Daki Mandan and Tekane Kungotko, O Ba Civiliani, Baga Dilgang, Kini Kola Jiwich, a Telembiganyot, Ajane, Emaniam, then Priority and Yam Kakuma Espele Io, Teramukwa target, Teramajugono TD, Ki Wernana, and Nircontila. Civilian take a gun can chicken take buccaneering contin la SPLIO. You know, and Kumikim Yadi la Jena, buccaneering contin la Nuretin to Munican, a chicken take a bezel and Tigi SPLIO take a timber la Jena, bugan go target Chedemation and Guadedan, Nakanas, Pelkan Guadan and T SPLIO based Titan, a Jen Kala no shake which can and Metaka walk it and I take a Tinkan can a guano can worry, bucan get you not, and you're going to contin la. Wana coordinate baka panken baka work tin the kel ke kirmiyadi ajana dan alero na mo gwa sama me jram jidit gor jano jender channel der support der subscribe ban lere ko keden be ban ga nyom link kon ke do no remember this kuma SPLIO ka kore pan ejitwok can la victor nemo even right now can the content la victorious ban mandan to bu ki kor ke report ben ka kore ban jaling do badan che kor che we ka ja wo kona gwa viva io we gwa telerik ban lingten kon lat karodian ane ya tema chu ya pro jano ko subscribe ka jan channel ya tema